want to certify your Italian level with the CELI examination from Università per Stranieri di Perugia? In this video, I will tell you how the CELI exam works and what to expect. We'll cover what the CELI certification is for, what CELI levels are, when, where, and how much it costs, what the exam is like, and how to prepare. CELI is one of the main Italian certifications recognized internationally. It evaluates and certifies the Italian language skills of non-native speakers. It's widely accepted and it's useful for various purposes. Study. It is required by many Italian universities. Work. It may be necessary if you work in Italy or you work in an international environment where Italian is needed. Immigration. A certification is required if you want to obtain the residency permit or if you want the Italian citizenship. Self-assessment. You can take the exam even if you just want to measure your own progress in learning Italian. The CELI exam is available at 6 levels. It starts at CELI Impatto, that it's like the A1 for the CEFR, and goes up to CELI 5, which certifies the near-native language proficiency. The most popular exams are CELI 1, A2 level, which is required to obtain a long-term residence permit in Italy. CELI 2, B1 level, which is required if you want to apply for the Italian citizenship. CELI 3, B2 level, that is needed if you want to access to Italian universities. For A1, A2, and B1, there are also some CELI special modules for immigrants, which focus on social and civic life in Italy. These versions are designed for those who live in Italy and need to demonstrate that they can interact in everyday situations, such as going to the doctor or speaking in public offices. To pass the CELI exam, candidates need to achieve the minimum required score in both parts, the oral one and the written one. If you pass only one section, the result is partially valid and it can be used for up to 1 year. To retake the missing part, you just pay 70% of the exam fee at the next session. Good news! CELI certifications do not expire. Once you pass, it's valid forever. The exam dates are published on Università per Stranieri di Perugia's website. But in general, we have 1 session in March for the first 4 levels, and 2 sessions, one in June, one in November for all levels. You can take the CELI exam in one of the many authorized centers, including our school in Florence. Registrations usually close 1 month before the exam dates. By the way, be sure to check the official calendar for the deadlines. The exam fee changes depending on the test center, so it's best to check the website of the center that you chose. Here are some rules that candidates need to follow on the exam day. Bring a valid ID document. Don't use phone, computers, tablets, or books and dictionaries. In the written part, all answers has to be put with a black pen. And remember, once you put your answer, it cannot be changed. So be very careful. The oral exam is a conversation between the candidate and the examiner, while a third person observes and evaluates. The results are available within 3 months, and if you pass all the parts of the exam, you will get the official certification within 4 months. Since you need to pass both the oral and the written part, it's a good idea to join a language course that helps you to practice with all skills. At Europass, we offer both online and in-person options. Online Italian courses, group or private lessons, in-person lessons here in Florence. Either a group lesson with students at your level or a one-to-one lesson with a private teacher. During the courses, you can practice with mock exam sessions so that you can get familiar with the format, the timing of the exam. You will also be able to check your progress and scores. Want to know your current level and choose the right course for you? Book a free 15-minute online consultation. You'll find the link in the description. And if you have any other question about the CELI exam, write it in the comments. Ciao!